Oh, now it's now it's turning. We are falling.
Bitch, I thought you fucking started.
Like, no, I just fucking handed it to you, you stupid bitch.
Okay. Now, Mr. Farley.
No, motherfucker, I missed it. I'm never gonna get it. That was funny. We were talking shit and we were recording. How would you get bitch? Man, I wish we recorded that shit. That's fucking funny. Maybe she's recording now. You're still not recording.
Yes, we are, bitch. Oh, fuck. Hey, eat it on my shit. Give me that.
Hey, hold up. Tell me another one.
Another what?
No, fucking God. Your shit is weed, dog.
What?
Oh, you know what? Give me some of your drink. I'm gonna taste some of your shit.
It's mine.
I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna see what you give me some more. What did she say? Did you make French straw? Did you make Alex straw? No. French straw?
Sorry.
It's probably like a fucking job of alcohol. She's all tripping and shit. Ain't nobody even tripping, nigga.
What the fuck, Alex?
Nigga, I'm fucking G, man. Oh, not this part,
How much you want? Stop. How much you want? Stop it. Stop it, Alex. Damn it. Look. Is that strong to you,
I quit.
Miss Little Girl?
No. Why the fuck you gonna have that on the fucking camera, you dumb bitch? Who the fuck's gonna see it? Is that me doing that? That's me doing that. My bad, no go. Now this one is gone. Rosie,
okay, tell me what's that?
Mexican American. Yo soy Mexican American. So it is wetback.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's all you want.
Let me taste it.
What the fuck is just
I mean, fuck it. Where the fuck's the ice at?
There is no ice.
I have a fucking bowl right here. Motherfucker! You mean you had a bowl?
You bitches did. Fuck. Bitch, you did that.
You mean you had a bowl?
Fuck, you my fucking hair, you little shit. Fucking knock you off the damn wall.
Fuck your hair. My hair's gonna get all messed up.
So it took me fucking. Oh, it took you.
Yeah, bitch, that's all you niggas. That's all you niggas. Ugh. You got a fucking problem? She just like fell like right there. I was like, fucking. Rub it. Quick, we don't fucking play. I'm fucking playing with this dog. I did boom y'all stage. Oh! You bitch, I'm fucking.
You fucking made me feel my nose.
She fell off slow motion and shit. They put me on stage. I was just you motherfucker, this thing was starting for you.
Ow.
How the fuck did I put off stage? Where's my fucking iPhone? Oh, it is connected. Oh, I found it. They're gonna find that in the jungle. Fucking bastards. I'm turning it off, nuggle.
And your battery's going dead.
And you and your fucking battery.